Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that notification bell. Before you do any damn thing, hit the bell. After that, hit that subscribe button. Or really, you can do it either way, but just hit both, all right? Just hit both. Woo! Man, today I have one of the best videos I think I made in a while. Just because of the simple fact that I buy so many damn shoes. I have so many shoes, and sometimes I don't have nothing to wear with them because I spend so much money on shoes, I forget all about the clothes. I literally, bruh, I was talking to my homie, The Vintage, all these damn shoes, and sometimes I have nothing to wear them with. It's literally shoes that I've had for the longest and nothing to wear them with. Look at these. One of my favorite shoes of all time, LeBron Cannon 9s. First of all, LeBron 9s one of my favorite anyway, but they ain't got nothing to do with the video. I ain't wearing these since I damn bought them. And it's so many, I can pick out so many shoes I got. I haven't worn since I bought them because I just buy the shoe, put them up, and I don't even try to damn buy an outfit or just something to go with the damn shoe. So basically, man, I went on AOS. I went on AOS and I went shopping. That's a nice little online spot where they got like a lot of dope stuff, man. They got a lot of good stuff for great prices, and I actually wind up getting a lot of stuff. Now, I don't really like to buy jeans online just because of the simple fact that I feel like jeans are something that I like to go in, try them on, see if they fit, see if they don't, see how they fit. Ain't anybody catch me out here with no bootcut jeans and low top shoes. I ain't going like that, bro. I just ain't going. So what I did was I just went and bought a lot of shirts because, you know, I feel like you get a good estimate of how a shirt will fit. And what's dope is they show you how the shirt looks on like a picture, and then you can press play for a video and they literally show like the person spinning around and wearing the shirt. So you actually get to see how it look full body and how it fits like the model. So you can really get a good idea on how to fit on you. So that's extra dope. Without further ado, let me show you guys the pickups that I got from AOS, man. Like I said, it's a few shirts, but I needed something. I just needed something. So this is the bag that they sent it in. As you can see, it said it's ASOS. Damn, I kind of messed that up. Hey, y'all, run that back one time. Let me get it right. Damn. ASOS. Okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? Players mess up all the time. You know, that's all good. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really tripping, boy. But like I said, man, I got like what, like 5 shirts? I don't know. I ain't really count. It come with a card. Not with a card, but a paper. I guess. I ain't opened none of this stuff yet, so you know we doing this together. Got about what, 6 shirts or something like that? Yeah, I got 6 shirts, and like I said, I got them all for good prices. I don't need that. Let's get into the pickups that I recently got, man. So the first shirt look like, bro, to be honest with you, bro, I don't even remember. They all come in like these little bags. Y'all gonna see me ripping them up. But it looking like, bro, I don't even remember what I bought. Cause I'm looking at this first shirt like, did I get this for real? It don't look like nothing really. See what they got going on, boy. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Alright, so bet. This is from a called Granite. It's from it's called Granite. It's all black, which is dope. You know what I'm saying? All black. You can't go wrong with all black. But what I really liked about it was the sleeves, all the different embroideries and all the different designs on the sleeves. I thought that was pretty cool. I think this was like cheap. This was like $10. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. This wouldn't be nothing I rock by itself. It'll be something I throw under like a denim jacket or something like that. I really wish y'all can see these arms a little bit more, but man, it's pretty cool though. Like I said, I'll throw this like up under a denim jacket, something like that. You feel me? Something slight. The next shirt is dope. I like this one a lot. I remember this is like the first one I seen on ASOS. I get what I mean. But yeah, this one was dope. I like the colorway. I like the whole design. I feel like this is dope. What is from? What's this company called? Oh, this is from ASOS themselves. Okay. So it says Cries of Darkness, and it got like some dope colorways. It's a lot of sneakers in my collection. I can rock with this, and once again, it's another shirt that you can throw on like up under something. Next up, bro, we got this shirt that I actually like. This was probably like the dopest one to me. I think this is kind of dope, this whole little idea for the shirt. I don't know what this is made out of, but it's not cotton. It has 1998 on it, but it's like kind of crossed out, and like, man, this feels good, bro. It is nice. It's super nice. But anyway, it got 1998 on it, but they crossed it out and just like wrote 1998 over it again. But the visual look dope. You know, stripes on the sleeves. I don't know what this shirt is. It's not cotton. You can throw Royals on with this. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do that, you can throw sport blue 3s if you want to do that. It's a lot of options you can do with that. Next shirt is something for my hip hop heads. I thought this was real dope. And all these shirts was like less than 25 bucks. So like I think the highest was 25 bucks. One shirt was like 25 bucks, but it was good prices on all this, bro. I won't even hold you. The next shirt is the Notorious B.I.G., the Biggie shirt. I think this is real dope, man. Anytime I see vintage shirts like this, I be wanting to pick them up. This look big as hell for a medium, bro. But what the hell is going on? This ain't no damn medium. What it say on the tag? A medium. Alright, so it's a medium. Alright, cool. So we got a medium that look like an extra large. I don't know what's up with this. I'm gonna go ahead and get that up out of here, bro. I might have to send that one back. That shit look too big, bro. I'm a little dude, man. I'm only 5'9". I can't be out here rocking no XLs, bro. Can't be doing that. This shirt was different too, man. I like the designs on them. It was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I could pull this off real nice. This is not cotton either, bro. This is something else. So basically, it's a graphic design shirt. You see like how it has, which is dope to me, how it has the dark blue and then the colors just get gradient going down to the end. And it looked like some mountain type design, you know what I'm saying? Like with the snow on it, whatever you want to call it. This brand is called Reason. This is dope to me though. I feel like I can pull this off easily. It's just different, you know what I'm saying? It's something that you're not really going to see too often, but it's definitely lit. I haven't rocked my my Beluga 2.0 yet because I just haven't found nothing crazy. So I just wanted to find like an orange that kind of resembled it a little bit for an undershirt. So I found an orange, just plain orange tee. But it definitely go under something. I like dressing in layers. I don't know how you guys dress. I'm from Cleveland. I'm used to being cold. Now I live in Atlanta. I can't dress in layers a lot, but I still like to, you know, throw on something like a shirt, maybe like a denim jacket or just like something slim, like a small hoodie or something like that. I love to do that. I love dressing in layers, man. So often when I dress or often when I buy clothes, I'm always thinking about layers. Like, oh, I can throw this with that, put that on under this. You know, I'm always thinking about that. So yeah, that's where you get the rest of that from. But yeah, man, it's a lot of dope stuff. You know, let me know how you guys feel about what I got down below in the comment section. I will be dropping pics on my Instagram with some of these clothes on, man. So if you want to know anything about that, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both right there. I get back to everybody who drop comments. I comment back to everybody, as well as get back to everybody on Twitter and Instagram. I'm just available. I'm reachable. I'm reach-outable. That's not even a word, but you can reach out to the boy. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Soul Purpose, man. Until next time, I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. Thank you again for watching. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, gang gang.